Hey everybody, it's your girl Melanin Maven, also known as Collette, and today I am going to be doing a Dior haul for you guys. It's actually going to be my first haul for Dior. I did get a few boxes. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing more videos and more content like this on my channel, then subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video, and go ahead and comment down below to let me know if this is something you would like to see more of in the future. All right, let's get into the video. One of the perks of shopping at Dior on their website, you get a lot of samples and you get to experience the luxury packaging. This is the packaging, you guys. Well, one of their packaging. This is the smallest bag that they gave me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and unwrap that for you. I love the detailing on Dior's products and their packaging. It's just the entire overall experience for me. That is one reason why I love shopping from the Dior website. Also, they have tiers, and certain tiers you get full-size items, you get free gifts, birthday gifts, things like that they send you during your birthday month. And it is just a great program to be a part of. It's more like their rewards program. So here we have like a satin ribbon that is attached to the bagging right here, and it has all of the Dior engraved right on the ribbon, which is so luxe and so cute. Inside I did get a few samples, and it came in this cute little Dior baggy pouch right here. All right, I got some fragrance samples, and I have the Dior Rivera and I have the Bois Talisman, and these are both from the Le Prive collection, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just test those out for you right now. The Bois Talisman was more of like an ambery scent, and I wanted to try this out before I go ahead and actually indulge in the full size. So I'm going to spray this right now, see how this smells. Just from the notes, from reading the notes on the website, I know that I'm going to really love this because I am a gourmand girl, and usually I go more for the gourmand scents. Oh, that smells so delicious. So it's a very ambery, woody scent, and if you're not really into amber and woody fragrances, then this would not be for you. But I definitely love how this smells. And also behind the mastermind behind this fragrance specifically is MFK. Amazing. He makes the most amazing fragrances, you guys, and I believe this is it's the Parfum. Okay, the other fragrance I have is the Dior Rivera, and this is also in the gourmand category. It's more like vanilla and very light, so I'm going to spray it on this wrist. Oh, that smells so good. But I wonder if I combine both of these together, see how they both smell. Oh, smells so luxurious. The Dior Rivera is a little powdery. I do get that first hint of vanilla, but when I mixed it with the Bois Talisman, I felt like it became a woody powder more than a like vanilla. So yeah, those are the samples that I got from Dior. Okay, and the first product that I'm going to be showing you that I got is the Dior Forever Velvet Veil, and this is their mattifying primer right here. Absolutely love this primer. I'm almost out of mine, so this is why I had to go and restock. This primer does make your makeup look flawless. This is how it looks. It comes in a frosted packaging like this, and it has the CD engraving right on the top. Amazing. You only need just a little pump, and usually what I do is I spray it on the back of my hand, mix it in, kind of warm up the product, and then I like dot it all over my face before I go in with my foundation. And I just love, because I am very oily, so I just love how mattifying that primer makes my face, and it doesn't leave a cast or anything. So I really, really love that. And it just feels very lightweight. It doesn't weigh my skin down. It doesn't feel heavy on my face. So I love that primer, and I'll continue to always purchase Dior's primer. The next package I received from Dior, it came in this cute little box. I mean, I've never seen them actually send these type of boxes. It has like this little pulley right here where you kind of detach it, and inside, this is the experience that I'm talking about, you guys. It is so luxe. Like, if you really want that luxury experience, you have to shop from their website, okay? Plus you get those points, and those points add up, you know, for each tier. This right here, it comes with the Dior tissue paper, and it has like little Dior words written all over it, along with this beautiful Dior sticker. You can go ahead and open that for you guys. Again, I got another sample. So I'm just warning you guys so I don't repeat myself. In all of the boxes that I purchased, I chose the same samples, and they are the Bois Talleyrand and the Dior Rivera. I just wanted to collect them, just see, you know, I just wanted to test out the product. So I have another little pouch, and this is the samples, the fragrance samples that I just showed you. So I won't be showing you any more samples from any of the other boxes because it's going to be the same thing. All right, and this is how the packaging comes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like, they just kind of like shredded the Dior tissue paper and just kind of placed it inside. And they sent me this huge box for this one little item, but I'm good. I'll take it. So I had my eye on this product for the longest. When it launched, I think it was last year. Yeah, when it launched last year, I was like, oh, I have to have that. I have to have one of these little luxurious items and throw them into my purse. This is the MissBlooming Bouquet Mini Mist Parfum Solid Perfume. And I got it in the scent Blooming Bouquet. Usually I do not wear a lot of florals, but the Blooming Bouquet, for some reason, on my body smells amazing, and it really doesn't smell like old lady floral, you know, like the old, that rose kind of fragrance. It really smells very sweet. The dry down is very, very sweet, and I absolutely love it. Plus, look at this packaging, you guys. Look at this packaging. The Dior experience is just so amazing. Like, this is houndstooth. Like, it has this beautiful, and it's more it's more of a fabric material that's embedded around this masterpiece. Like, and it has the Miss Dior Paris engraved on the front of it, and the packaging around here has like it's like a silver houndstooth, of course, with the CD engraving at the top. But this is so luxe. It just makes you feel so feminine, so girly. Makes you want to throw it into your purse and just pull it out and just, you know. But this is exactly how it looks. It's a transparent, like, pinky lavender color, and it has the Christian Dior logo engraved right on the top. And this smells so, so beautiful. It makes me feel very feminine. So you just snap it right back in there like that, and you're good to go. And this is another item that I had on my wish list for a long time, and I've been waiting to get my hands on it. And I've been playing around with it in the store, and it just smells so luxe. It smells so rich. Like, it smells like soft, feminine, sweet. It's just so beautiful. Such a beautiful scent. And it is from the J'adore line. It is the J'adore Les Adorables Golden Shimmering Gel. I needed this. Why? Because I just love glitter. I love glam. I love anything that is going to make me sparkle and shine and just overall look like a goddess, you know? So this right here, let me go ahead and open it for you guys. Very heavy. The packaging on this is amazing. Like, I had to get my hands on this. Do you see this? So beautiful. It comes in this crystalline, like, glass packaging, like this glass jar. And it has the J'adore engraving right on the top. And it has the CD logo engraved right on the bottom. And this gel is just so beautiful to look at. But like, once I put it on my skin, like, when I tell you, this is just the most beautiful body shimmering gel that you could ever use, plus the scent. If you don't own the J'adore line, like any of the fragrances, you definitely have to have this in your collection. And I do own the J'adore fragrance. I have the Rollerball and I have the Perfume. So this is an extra add-on to kind of like boost the scent and just kind of like, you know, level up my J'adore fragrance. And I really, 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 really love, so beautiful. I love this fragrance. Oh my gosh. Smells so good. Like, when you put this on, you honestly really don't have to wear the fragrance, but it is good for layering. You put this on, you're gonna smell so beautiful and so delicious all day. Like, people are gonna always keep complimenting you and asking what you're wearing. But it's such a familiar scent. It does smell different on different bodies because everybody has different body chemistries. On me, it dries down very, very sweet, subtle, almost like a lavender, not lavender, what am I talking about? A vanilla, like a vanilla with a little bit of like white floral. It's very pretty. That's how I can describe it. It's very pretty, and it makes me feel luxurious. It just makes me feel so rich. So yeah, you guys, that is all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more Dior or luxury type content on my channel, go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up this video, and comment down below. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.